video and has all the food groups, such as the healthy fats because of avocado and olive oil. It also has dairy because of the yogurt. It has lots of vegetables. It even has protein and carbs because of the black beans and quinoa. The ingredients we need for this recipe is 2 cups of cooked quinoa, 2 cups of black beans. You can use a can or homemade. Watch our previous videos to learn how to make them. 3/4 cup of mixed bell peppers, 3/4 cup of red onion, 3/4 cup of cucumber, 3/4 cup of boiled corn, and 1 avocado. For the salad dressing, we need is 1/2 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of hot chili sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, juice of a 1/2 lime, and 1 teaspoon of salt, or to taste.
Add quinoa, black beans, and all of the vegetables into the bowl and mix it very well.
For the dressing, add yogurt and beat very well. Now add the rest of the ingredients and mix it very well.
Our salad mixture and dressing is ready.
To serve, get a few spoonfuls of salad mixture and add a little bit dressing.
Our healthy and tasty quinoa salad is ready.
Now let's do the taste test. So good! This quinoa salad is a really healthy and balanced food.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel
For more exciting kitchen recipes.
Thanks for watching. Bye!